Hello and welcome to Coriolis Automated Cloud Migration and Disaster Recovery as a Service. In this video, we will go through preparing a baremetal server to be migrated to one of Coriolis' supported destination clouds by installing and configuring the baremetal agent. In regards to the hardware support and prerequisites, please check the Coriolis Baremetal Hub official documentation. The process of installing and configuring the agent will start with connecting to the baremetal server and downloading the baremetal agent. The link for downloading the Coriolis baremetal agent can be found on the documentation as well. The next process will be extracting the installer directory from the archive and navigate to it, after which we will start the interactive installation process. As you can see, we will run it as a super user and also using the install option. During this process, we will first be prompted to specify the IP address of the Coriolis appliance, and we will be able to fetch it from the dashboard URL. Once we have added the IP, we will be prompted to add the CA fingerprint, which can be found on Coriolis dashboard as well, which will be under the Baremetal Servers tab on the top right corner. Having the fingerprint copied will allow us to get to the third prompt, and it will be related to the baremetal server itself, where we will have to specify if this is a web server host or not. This part will help the Coriolis baremetal agent to run the configuration either by using its default ports to connect to the Coriolis appliance or by using the ones that the web server host already has. For the last two prompts, we will have to specify the IP and port for the agent service to use. Here, by default, Coriolis uses the IP of the baremetal server and the default port 9999. When the installation is successful, we will be shown the current status of the agent. The last step that needs to be performed before replicating or migrating the baremetal server will be to add a server to the dashboard's baremetal servers. This will establish the connection between the Coriolis appliance and the baremetal server itself. The process will require the IP address and the port specified during the last two steps of installing the agent. Once those two are added and validated, the list will be populated with the baremetal server, meaning that it will be ready for either replica or migration processes. This guide sums up the process of preparing a baremetal server to be replicated or migrated by installing the Coriolis baremetal agent. Thank you.